Right, welcome to Black and White Audits, guys. We're here at the Overgate. Gonna have a quick walk through here. We're going to get a wee look at the Dandy statue out the end here. It's been a while since I've been to Dundee. Hey, where is it? There it is. Yeah. There we go, look. Fucking hell. His chin's bigger than I remember. Right, we'll go back through this then. I never got the fascination with young lads standing around with their hands down their trousers. It's like, I think they think it makes them look hard, but to me it makes them look like they need a comfort willy in their hand at all times. And it's slightly beastie as well. How some mild swearing can be public order or threaten abusive behaviour, and having your hands cleaned in your pants isn't, I'm not really sure, but is what it is. I don't think I've ever been in this centre before. I used to always travel by train before I had a car, and I can't ever remember being in here at all. Alright. There we go, one wee pass. Some nice smells coming out of the perfume shop. That's my second biggest passion in life. Freedom first, perfumery second. Yes, I did call it perfumery. It's not aftershave. If you want to be gender neutral, you can always call it fragrances. I'm thinking when I get to the 1k mark, I'm thinking about my second channel being a fragrance or perfumery review channel. I know it won't quite bring in the same kind of numbers, but a man likes to smell good, you know what I mean? Lush. They actually do some pretty good fragrances themselves. Not cheap though. This place hasn't got a lot of security, so I don't anticipate much hassle here today. Although that could change when we get up to Sports Direct. Seems like a hotbed of crime and poverty. No, we've got a manny there, look. Let's see if we can get some directions to somewhere that we don't need to go. I'll pause you while we're on the escalator. These things do nothing. There we go. Sports Direct. Argus. Excuse me, mate, is there a food court in here?
Sorry?
Food court.
Yeah, which one do you want?
Are they just all spread around, or is there a specific?
We have Subway straight down.
On this top bit?
Yeah.
Okay. I've only been in along the bottom, so.
Subway chopsticks and down we have Five Guys and Frank and Benny's.
Yeah, I've seen the more expensive restaurants. I'm just looking for a cheap bite to eat myself.
Let's go to Subway.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
I can smell the Subway now. See if we can sniff it out. There's our Subway. I'm not going to get a bite to eat right this minute. Finish this video first. Is there a way out here? Oh, we've got to go back downstairs for a way out. Here. Oof. I don't want to lose them in an audit. 250, 500, no cheap. See if I can find my phone. Google Pixel. Probably not worth taking in, to be honest. Not seeing it. Whiskies, guys. Where is that? A thing we don't need. Excuse me, guys. Is there a Burger King around here?
No, Wellgate Centre. It's other centre, mate.
How far is that?
Just go down the escalator, straight out the main door, and straight along.
Okay,
minutes.
Okay, all right.
That's magic. Thank you very much. Right, I think Overgate's getting a 5-star rating today. Nothing but helpful people. I'm going to cut it off here, guys, but remember, like, share, subscribe, do all the good stuff, help a man out. Thank you very much. Black and White, out.